Hi. Let us see how breadth-first search algorithm works. First of all, breadth-first search is a graph traversal algorithm. As we clearly know, this is breadth and this is height. So we are going to go this way rather than traverse the height. We are going from left to right rather than up to down. So let's traverse this. Now we have one. We start from one. Then what we do is there is no more breadth there. It is the only node at that height, that level. So then we go to 2. So next, where do we go? Do we go to 4 or do we go to 5 or do we go to 3? No, we are not going downward. We are going across the breadth. So we are going to 3. Now, now where do we go? Now there is no more breadth, right? There is nothing else. So we are going downward again. We go to 4, then 5, then 6. No more breadth now. So we go to 7. So this is how we traverse. Yeah, so how do we do it programmatically? So for that we need a queue. So this is our queue. Queue, as we already know, has a first in first out mechanism. It's like a regular queue in the grocery store. Whoever comes first gets the item first and then leaves. So this is how it works. So right now what we do is we put 1 into the queue. After putting 1, we mark 1 as visited and then we remove it from the queue. So now before removing, we have to put its adjacent nodes into the queue. So adjacent nodes of 1, they are something that are directly connected to. So 1 is directly connected to 2 and 3. So we put 2 and 3 into the queue. Now what we do, we pop 2 from the queue and now we put 2's adjacent into the queue. 2's adjacents are 4 and 5. Now what we do, we pop 3 from the queue and put its adjacent into the queue, that is 6. Now what do we do? Now we mark 4 as visited. 4 doesn't have any adjacents, so we go on. Next we pop 5 and then mark it as visited and then push it adjacent into the queue, 7. Now we mark 6 as visited, then 7. So this is how we do BFS.